Going back to get your push cart? Can you turn it around? No, we're not going back there. Can you turn your push cart around? Can you do it? Yeah, there you go. Here, you need some help? There you go. Alright. Alright. Go, Thomas, go! Keep going. Put your shovel in. Good job, Thomas. And, oh, we stopped for the pinning. Oh, there we go. Bam! Yay, Thomas! Hey, Thomas, say bye-bye. For we see all your bad habits of playing with the TV. Say bye-bye. Thomas, say bye-bye. Thomas.